So I was looking for design inspiration for a client project and I came across this website for a SaaS company. Clean design, professional animations, custom visuals, the whole thing. This would cost $5,000 to build from scratch, maybe even more. So I decided to run an experiment. I'm going to clone this exact website in under 3 minutes using two tools, Claude Code and Nano Banana tool. Claude Code handles the structure, the layout and the code, and Nano Banana generates every visual from scratch. Hero backgrounds, section images, UI mockups, all original. No designer, no developer, just me and two AI tools and one prompt. I'm doing this in real time, so you can see the whole process. And stick around to see the result. Here is the website I'm cloning. Animated background, clean hero section, a dashboard mockup, the whole thing. Developers on Fiverr charge $1,000 to $5,000 for this. Alright, before I throw a screenshot at Claude Code, I'm going to do something 99% of people skip. I'm going to extract the brand identity first, and this is why most AI clones look generic and off-brand. People just take a screenshot and hope for the best. But if you extract the actual brand guidelines first, Claude Code matches the exact colors, fonts, spacing, everything. And here is how. Go to firecrawl.dev, click the dashboard, then click Scrape a web page. Type in the URL of the website you want to clone. And here is the important part. Under Format, select Branding and deselect everything else. This tells Firecrawl to extract only the design system, not the content, not the structure, just the brand. And click Start Scraping. It takes only 10 to 15 seconds. And look at what we get. Primary colors with exact hex codes, secondary colors, accent colors, background colors, typography, font families, weights, sizes, button styles, spacing scale, border radius, even the brand personality and tone. This is the design DNA of the website. And from here, just download a JSON file and done. This is what separates a good clone from a pixel-perfect clone. Now we capture the website structure. Go back to the website, hit F12 to open Developer Tools. Click the Console tab. Press Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on MacBook. Search for Capture Full-Size Screenshot and click on it. This captures the entire web page and not just what's visible. It scrolls through everything and stitches it together, and it downloads automatically. Now here's an optional step that makes the clone even better. Go to the Elements tab, scroll to the Styles section, select all the CSS and copy it. This gives Claude Code the exact spacing, animations, hover effects, everything. Paste it into a new file, save as styles.css, the brand JSON, the full screenshot and the CSS styles. And this is everything Claude Code needs. Now we set up Claude Code. Open VS Code and create a new folder. I'm calling mine a website clone. Inside, create a folder called brand assets. Put your brand.json in there, put the screenshot in there, and if you grab the CSS, add that too. Open the folder in VS Code. Click the Claude Code icon on the left sidebar. You will need Claude Pro or Max for this. That's $20 to $200 a month, depending on your plan. Now, before we build anything, we need to install the website builder skill. This is the part most people miss. Without it, Claude Code builds you a website, but it looks like every other AI-generated website. With it, it looks like something Apple or Stripe would ship. The first skill we need to install is Website Builder. It's not mine, but this guy made it. Full credit to him, it's a real game changer. Next, we need to install my own website cloning skill. All the links, by the way, in the description. Download it, it's a markdown file. Drag it into the Claude Code chat and tell Claude, install this website builder and website cloning skills. After 30 seconds, it's basically done. And now we are ready. And here is the exact prompt I'm giving Claude Code. You can get all the materials in the description, by the way. I want you to clone this website exactly. Invoke the website builder and clone skills before writing any code. Analyze brand.json for colors, fonts, spacing, and design tokens. Use the screenshot as the visual reference for layout and structure. If available, reference styles.css for exact styling details. Build a pixel-perfect clone using modern web technologies. Match exact colors from the brand file. Use exact fonts and typography scale. Implement all animations and interactions. Make it fully responsive. Take screenshot as you build to verify accuracy. Attaching the screenshot and clicking send. Okay, Claude Code just finished the structure. But before we open the browser, there is one single problem: the images. Every visual on the original website, the hero background, the section visuals, the UI mockups, those belongs to them. You can't use them. So here's what we do instead. I run a second script directly inside Claude Code. This script connects to Nano Banana and generates every single visual element from scratch. And here's the prompt I would use. Now generate all the visual assets for this website, and now watch Claude build its own image prompts for the brand data. It doesn't need to describe anything. It reads the brand file and figures it out. Now wait until it's generated. Claude Code drops them into the website automatically. And that's the complete stack. Firecrawl for the brand, Claude Code for the structure, and Nano Banana for the visuals. Now I'm not walking through the full Nano Banana setup here. That deserves its own breakdown. If you want the complete step-by-step guide, API key, installation, how to connect it to Claude Code, I put everything in a free PDF which in the description. Okay, and now let's see the final result, and here it is. Let me pull up the original website for comparison. The layout is almost identical, but now every visual is completely original. This took only 4 minutes to build. A developer would charge $2,000 to $3,000 for this, 2 weeks of work, and we just did it in under 5 minutes. But here's what I need to tell you, because this looks incredible, and it is. But there is something important you need to understand. Claude Code cloned the frontend almost perfectly. But what you don't see, there is no backend, no database, no payment integration, no user authentication, no API connections, no email automations, no form submissions that go anywhere. This is a static website. The design is there, the styling is there, the animations are there, but it doesn't process anything yet. If you need forms to submit, users to sign up, payments to process, data to save, you need a developer for that part. So here's what I do. I use Claude Code to clone the design. That saves thousands of dollars and hours on design work. The hardest part is done. Then I hire a developer on Fiverr to add the backend. And because the design is already done, they charge way less. $500 to $1,500 instead of $5,000. And here's how to find the right one. Go to Fiverr, search backend development or website functionality. Filter by top-rated sellers, level 2 or higher. Budget $500 to $2,000. Look for developers who mention database integration, payment gateways, API connections, user authentication, and form handling. Message 2 or 3 sellers. Send them your Claude Code files and ask them, can you add backend functionality to this existing frontend? And they will quote you 50 to 70% less than building from scratch with the design. Because the design is already done, they just add the logic. And here's the complete framework. Step 1. Extract brand identity with Firecrawl, 60 seconds. Step 2. Capture full screenshot and CSS styles, 30 seconds. Step 3. Use Claude Code with the front-end design skill to clone the structure, 2 to 3 minutes only. Step number 4. Run Nano Banana inside Claude Code to generate every visual, 90 seconds. Step 5. Hire a Fiverr developer for the backend, $500 to $1,500, 1 to 2 weeks. And step 6, launch a $5,000 website for under 2,000 or even 1,000. And that's the strategy. If you want the exact Claude Code prompt, the brand extraction workflow, the Nano Banana PDF setup guide, and the complete framework, check the link in the description. And if you want me to find you the right Fiverr developer for your specific project, comment developer and I will reply you with my vetted list. And see you on the next one.